Hey guys, today we have a Spyderco. Um, this is knife that has done the collaboration work with Anso from Denmark, and another Spyderco knife that he has worked on is the Rock Lobster, which is a big folder. This one is a smaller one. This one is called a Zulu, and it has a 3 inches long blade, and it weighs 3.4 ounces, so it's relatively lightweight. The steel is S30B, and it's hollow ground, which is really nice. I like the high hollow ground blade. It cuts really well. I think it's better than the full flat grind. Okay, let me focus here. Okay, it uses S30B, as I said, and it's made in Taiwan. The quality is extremely good. Look at how centered that blade is, and how tight the spaces between the blade and the steel liner lock. The liner locks, the liners, they're drilled to save the weight, and it has this really nice texturized G10, which is Yen's trademark design. The G10 feels really grippy. It's more grippy than the PPT from the Spyderco. I don't know why, but they should be the same. But I think it's a little bit more rougher than the PPT, which is a lot smoother, and it's a little bit slippery. It comes with the hourglass pocket clip, which I really like, also black chromed. It comes with tip up and tip down carry options, but only for right hand user. The tip up carry rides really high actually, and it's good in knife friendly place because you can get it out pretty easy. And but if you want it to be carry lower, you can have it tip down, because you lose all this space with tip down carry, as you can see there. So when it's tip down, you only see this part, and tip up you see there's more of this part showing off. And here's the lanyard hole. It's a flow-through design. The blade is really nice. It has a really big holes. I think it's one of the biggest hole that Spyderco puts into their folders, and it has this big belly, which works really fine. Probably can work as a Skinner knife also. The swedge is really good also. This has two curved swedge here that keeps the knife pointy, but at the same time it's not too thin. It's 3 millimeters, which is I think it's like the standard of Spyderco knives. I think same as the Sage series. The liner lock locks in perfectly. No blade plays. You can disengage it really easily also, and there's a really good detent also. You cannot shake the knife out. What else? There's no jimping on this knife, but I don't really think you need it anyway. I'm not a jimping fan, so it looks much better without the jimping because the blade looks uniformed, and it has a really nice curve here, so you can have your finger grab really tight because of the shape that goes down. It's kind of like a pistol grip, so this thing feels really natural when you use it, because most blade they are like straight, so it does hurt a little the ergo. But this one is really nice grip, just like grabbing a pistol. And you do all the cuttings. The blade is really sharp. The only one thing that I think it can be changed will be like move this hole a little bit upwards. As you can see, when you hold it, well, that's my natural holding position. I'm not actually using the holes here, the cuts here. So if it can move like half centimeter upward will be better. But then there will be problem with the Spidey holes, because the Spidey hole will have move also. So I think that's how it is, and I'm liking it very much so far. Great user knife, really great user knife. One of the best knife to hold in the hand. It's not thick. It's really pocket friendly actually. 3.4 ounces, really light knife. And to finish this up, I'll do a quick size comparison with the SMF that I have. This is a 4-inch knife. It's much thicker. It has a much thicker blade. It will not fit in the camera, so, or maybe yes. Alright, this one will be coming up for review next. It's a really nice knife. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let's see if I can grab some detailed shots here. It has a really nice grind. The carving are like mountains. This is about the only thing I don't like. Kind of destroys the design. But I guess if you want tip up and tip down, that's the only choice, because the G10 is it's not flat, so you'll have to have a cut here. Jens also makes it the custom version, which is a frame lock with all sort of colors and everything, but it's about maybe 6 times more expensive than this one. So I'm really happy with this one, really happy. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and leave comments. Thank you, bye.